Hi guys, welcome back to our channel Finance for Beginners. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to log into your Cardinal Payroll. To do so, follow some simple steps with me. First of all, open your browser, then go to your default search engine. Then search Cardinal Payroll Login. Scroll down a little bit, there you can see Cardinal Employee Portal. Click on it. Then it will take you to the login portal of employee. There, enter your username and your password. Once you have entered your login credentials, click to login. Then you should be able to access your Cardinal employee account. From there, navigate to your payroll. This is how you can log into your Cardinal Payroll. If you have forgot your login details, you can get help by clicking to Forgot Your Logins. This much for today's video. If you guys find our video helpful, please leave a like and comment. And do not forget to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. I'll see you guys again in our next video. Thank you for watching.